So I thought I'd take you on a nature walk so we can breathe in the snowdrops together, so I can breathe in, activate our crystalline form, breathe in the wisdom of the trees, feel the energy of the earth, feel the wind, walk through the trees, anchor into this energy, feel the wisdom, feel the innate essence, feel yourself dropping down and activating the original architecture, the original creation codes. Activate, step through to the organic. Breathe in love, and know as you connect in these ways that you connect with a deep knowing. Feel the scars of the tree. Feel the scars in yourself. Honor those scars. Honor what you have been through. Honor that story. But know you are not that story. And we are one. And we are limitless. And we are nature. So breathe in and know you are loved.